After uploading the code to ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, now we are ready for the first testing, that is LED testing. So first of all, we have to look on whether our device is online or not. Here it is showing our device is online. Okay. After checking the online, we will test whether our LED is working with our program or not. First of all, I would like to tell you we have connected the LEDs to D0, D2, D3 and D4 pins. Okay. And let's test our program is working or not. I am going to turn on the blue light. The blue light turns on. I am going to turn on the yellow light. The yellow light turns on. Now I am going to turn off all LEDs, green, yellow, blue and red. Here all the LED turns off. Let me check you again. Turning off the red light turns on, blue light turns on, yellow light turns on and green light turns on. Now if we are talking about the pin configuration, we have connected all the positive pins of the LEDs to the 3 volt pin session. You can also connect in the 5 volt, but in my opinion you must connect to the 3 volt for the safety of the LED. And the negative terminal of the LEDs are connected to the digital pins. Here we have connected the LEDs to D0, D2, D3 and D4 digital pins. We have connected D0 digital pin to the red LED and we have connected green LED to the D4 pins. Okay, and you can see the pin diagram in the image also, and you have to connect as similar. Here you can see that. Let me take you one example. This wire is the positive terminal of the red. Okay, you can see here this wire is connected with the positive terminal of the red LED. Okay, and the D0 pin is connected with the negative terminal of the LED. And if you don't know to find the positive terminal and negative terminal of the LED, then you can see in the LED here you can see here is the long section. Okay, this is the negative terminal and the short section is the positive terminal, as you can see in the image too. I hope you can easily connect with in the breadboard. If you have breadboard, then you can connect like that. If you do not have breadboard, then you can make the connections as per your comfortableness. Okay, if you want to look more upon the button configuration, then let me take you to the button configuration. Here is in the pin name we have write red, as we are connecting the red LED to D0 pin, and the output here we have write D0, the digital pin is D0, and here we have write 1 and 0, and we have make it as switch. Okay, and this is all what you have to configure in the button session. And similarly you can create all the 4 buttons for 4 LEDs. Let me take you to another button. Here is the green button. We have connected the green LED in D4 and all the things are similar to the red. Okay, now we have successfully done the LED testing. Now in the next lecture we will move to the relay testing. We will learn about connection of relays and we will check it through our Blink app, and after testing through the Blink app we will test through the Google Assistant also. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Let's meet in next video lecture. Till then, thank you. God bless you. I just